Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I'm coming to you with a new design. It's right here. I call it the Align and Park design. What this is a tool to help you park your car. I'm going to flip this around really quick. As you can see, I've got my car right here. It is eye level with the car, right where the driver would be. Let me flip it back around here so I can show you what's going on. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to be mounting this with either 2 screws or double-sided sticky tape, and you're going to make sure it's level. So you're going to put a level on top, make sure it's level, and you're going to have somebody sitting in your car eye level with you. That way they know where to park it and where they're going to perfectly park their car at. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this around one more time, show you a quicker close-up here. So as you can see, this is the design here. So when it's dead on like this, that means that you are parking your car in the perfect spot. If you pull too far forward like this, you can see it looks like the lines don't line up. So then you're going to have to back your car up, and the 2 lines will perfectly let you park. And then if you pull too far backwards, the lines don't line up this way. That means you got to pull forwards. I'm going to show you a quick demo of this. I'm going to jump in the car real quick, show you a quick demo of that, and show you how to line the car up perfectly here. As you guys can see, I'm backing up the car right here. The further that I get back, you'll notice the 2 lines are going to not line up anymore. Sorry if the camera is a little bit shaky here, and this is going to look further away since I'm in the car. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull forward. You're going to see those 2 lines line up perfectly as I pull up here, and this is going to be the perfect parking spot for you. There you go. That is perfect parking right there. Alright, so as you guys can see, now that I'm parked and out of the car, I wanted to show you how this works with a perfect parking spot. We wanted just enough space that we can still walk through behind the car while it's in the garage, while giving extra space for the actual tool bench up here. So before we'd always pull up and then there wouldn't be enough room to walk in front of the car here. Now there's ample room, and it's going to be perfect parking every time. Alright you guys, so that is the Align and Park design. I wanted to show you quickly on how that works. So I hope you guys enjoy the product. I hope this helps park your cars in the future and a new laser design to test out. Other than that, it's been Josh with Fresh Start Customs, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.